Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a really fun fingerstyle arrangement of Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. This one, I suppose, is around the intermediate level. Really hope you enjoy the lesson. If you do, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab, that's available in the description. So the song begins with a short intro, which is just that, and then we're in. Okay, so that there is just a C chord, then a G chord, then an F chord, and then back to G. Okay, so hold down your C chord, and what I'm doing is I'm playing strings 1, 2, 3, and 5 all together, and then I'm strumming up down on the top 3 strings. So like that, 1 and 2. Then we go to a G like this. It's just a G bar chord, and you can hold your G bar chord down if you want to. I like the thumb around the back style. But what I'm doing with that held down is I'm playing strings 2, 3, 4, and 6, and then again strumming up down on the chord. So you just got 1 and 2, and then same thing just on this chord, 3 and 4. Like that. Then it goes down to an F. It's an F bar. The bar chord is fine. And we do the same as we did on the C chord. So it's the same thing, but play the top 3 strings, 1, 2, 3, and the 6th string together. So that's just. Okay, and then back to your G chord and play strings 2, 3, and 4. And then the bass, and then strum up down. So that's, and that's your intro. Just like that. Okay, so you don't have to put that in. You could just come straight in with the verse if you want to. But I think it's a nice little way to start the arrangement. So the verse of the song goes like this. Okay, so that's beginning on a C chord. So hold that down, and you're going to play strings 1 and 5 together, and then 1 and 3, and then 1. So raindrops keep, and then play the first fret on the top string, so you can just flatten your first finger to do that, and with the bass. Okay, and then open it back up, open top string. Okay, and then add the 3rd fret on the 2nd string with your pinky, and I'll play that with the 3rd string. Alright, and then just back to the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So you've got. So you've got the melody on top, raindrops keep falling on my, and then in the bass we're going. Put those two together and you've got it. Okay, but then it goes to a C major 7, so just open up that B string. So with that held down, then play the 1st string and the 5th string, then strings 2 and 3, and then bass and 2 and 3 again. So that's pretty straightforward really, it's just. So with the first bar. Like that. Then it's C7, and I'm playing C7 like this. So I'm barring the top 5 strings, okay, and then I'm also, with my 3rd finger, adding the 5th fret on the 2nd string. So that's how I'm playing C7. And in the picking hand, what you want to do is play strings 1 and 5, okay, then 1 and 3, then 1, then make it the 5th fret on the 1st string, play that with the bass, then lift it back off to the 3rd fret, Okay, then the bass is going to the 3rd string, play that with the 6th fret on the 2nd string, and then move that back down to the 5th fret. So that's like, that's just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Okay, so the melody. Just add that with this bass, and you got it. Okay, so far. Okay, great. Then it goes down to F major 7. So here, what I'm doing is holding down an F major 7, but then also I bring my thumb around the back to play the 1st fret on the 6th string. But you don't have to do that. You could just play the 4th string in the bass if that's uncomfortable for you. But anyway, I'm holding down that, and I either play the 4th string or the 6th string in the bass, and I'll also play strings 1 and 2. Okay, then the 1st fret on the top string, and then add your 3rd fret on the 2nd string with your little finger. Hold that down, and I'll play strings 2, 3, and 4, and then back to the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So the melody is just, okay, and then we add the rest like that. So that's, okay. Then we've got, okay, so here that's an E minor, A, E minor, A, and what you want to do for that is play the 7th fret on the top string with the open 6th string. Then I'll play the G string, okay, and then 5th string because it's going to the A, so play the 5th string open, and then on top play that with the 5th fret on the top string. Then keep the melody going, so play the 3rd fret on the top string, then open top, and then the 2nd string. So the melody there is, and all together you've got, okay, then back to our E minor and play the 7th fret on the top string again with the bass, then the 3rd string, okay, and then to our A, so play the 5th string of the bass with the 5th fret on the top string. So those 2 bars, like that. So let's have a recap. We go right the way back to the beginning of the verse. We've played and then we've just got raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. Okay, we just got that bit to learn there. So that is a D minor 7. So hold down your D minor 7 chord, and also add the 3rd fret on the top string. So I'm playing open 4th string and then 2, 1, 3 to start. And I'll play those strings all together, and then the top string, and then open top string, and then 1st fret on the top string with the 4th string, and then 3rd fret on the top string, then the 1st, and then open. So that's like, okay, and then all back on again with that 3rd fret on the top string. Play all 4 strings 1, 2, 3, 4 together, and then the top string, open top string, 1st fret on the top string with the bass, and then the 3rd fret, and just end there. So that's, and those 2 bars, the D minor 7, and then we just got this. So that, I'm thinking, is like an F chord, okay, but replace the 4th string with your little finger, and then with your 3rd finger, play the 3rd fret on the 6th string. So like an F with a G in the bass. Or you can think of it as a G9 sus. However you want to think of it, it's up to you. But anyway, hold that down, play the bass, and then strings 2, 3, and 4 together, and then the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So that's just like that. So and then it all just goes round again, and that's the verse. So here it is once more. I'll play it all through for you slowly. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. And then it all just goes round again, and then you're into the bridge. Okay, which is like that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to be teaching that over on my website. So if you want the remainder of the lesson, it's in the description. Just follow the link and you'll get the rest of it right away, completely for free. If you've enjoyed this and you'd like to learn more about fingerpicking, then why not sign up to one of my courses? Over at 6-string fingerpicking, we've got a whole bunch of them for the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced player. So whatever level of playing you're currently at, there's bound to be a course that's going to take your fingerpicking to the next level. They're all really great, super easy to follow, progressive courses, as I say, designed to make you a better player, a better finger picker. But don't just take my word for it, check out all the reviews and testimonials that previous students have left. These courses really have transformed so many people's finger picking, and they can do the exact same for you. So don't wait, sign up below. And the great thing is you can even try out any of these courses completely for free when you join my mailing list. So links, they're down in the description. Sign up, you won't regret it. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.